Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore a very important and fascinating topic: the 10 best foods for your liver when eaten in the morning. The liver is a vital organ that helps filter out toxins, metabolize nutrients, and maintain the body's balance. A healthy liver will help you lead an energetic, vibrant life and prevent many dangerous diseases. Did you know that choosing the right foods every morning can make a big difference to your liver health? Imagine starting your day with meals that are not only delicious but also rich in nutrients, helping to protect your liver and support its natural detoxification process. In this video, we will introduce you to foods that are easy to find, easy to prepare, and offer great benefits for the liver that you can't ignore. Let's explore and start the journey of taking care of your liver health right now. If you're interested in maintaining and improving your liver health, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful videos. Let's get started. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great choice to eat in the morning, especially for liver health. Containing probiotics, plain yogurt helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome, supports digestion, and boosts the immune system. Beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium in yogurt help balance the microbiome, reduce inflammation, and improve liver function. Moreover, plain yogurt provides high-quality protein, aiding in the repair and regeneration of liver cells. It does not contain added sugars, reducing the risk of weight gain and diabetes, two major risk factors for liver diseases. With calcium, vitamin B12, and riboflavin, plain yogurt also provides essential nutrients for overall health. Incorporating plain yogurt into your daily breakfast is an effective way to maintain a healthy and functioning liver. 2. Skinless chicken. Starting the day with skinless chicken is an excellent choice for liver health. Rich in lean protein, skinless chicken helps build and maintain muscles, supporting the repair and regeneration of liver cells. This is particularly important because the liver continuously processes nutrients and toxins from the body. Skinless chicken contains very little saturated fat, reducing the risk of heart and liver diseases. High saturated fat can increase bad cholesterol, LDL, leading to fatty liver disease and other liver issues. Additionally, skinless chicken provides essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, niacin, phosphorus, and selenium, which help maintain overall health and support liver function. Incorporating skinless chicken into your daily breakfast effectively protects and supports liver function, reduces the liver's workload, and enhances its performance. Hainin nut dang ky nai bai geo de kong bolo bat ky thong tin huich now. 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are an ideal choice for breakfast, especially beneficial for liver health due to their high water content and abundant antioxidants. With approximately 95% water, cucumbers help maintain the body's hydration, supporting the liver in detoxifying and eliminating waste. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and flavonoids in cucumbers protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals, reduce inflammation, and prevent liver disease. Vitamin C not only boosts the immune system but also aids in converting toxins into a form that is easier to eliminate, enhancing liver efficiency. Additionally, cucumbers provide a moderate amount of fiber, improving digestion and reducing the liver's workload. Soluble fiber helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome, preventing digestive issues that can impact liver function. Minerals like potassium and magnesium in cucumbers also play important roles in maintaining electrolyte balance and supporting liver function. 4. Salmon. Incorporating salmon into your breakfast is an excellent choice for liver health. Rich in high-quality protein and containing all essential amino acids, salmon supports the repair and regeneration of liver cells, helping the liver function more effectively in detoxifying and processing nutrients. Additionally, salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from damage. Omega-3s also help maintain healthy cell membranes and prevent chronic liver diseases such as fatty liver and cirrhosis. Moreover, salmon provides essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and selenium, which support the immune system and enzyme functions in the liver, along with the antioxidant astaxanthin that protects liver cells. Adding salmon to your daily breakfast not only enhances liver health but also supplies vital nutrients for overall well-being. 5. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are excellent foods to eat in the morning, especially for liver health. They are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and supports the liver's detoxification process. Additionally, berries contain anthocyanins, flavonoid compounds responsible for their vibrant colors, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. Furthermore, berries are high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body, reducing the liver's workload. Other nutrients in berries, such as vitamin K, manganese, and folate, also play essential roles in maintaining overall health and supporting liver function. Incorporating berries into your daily breakfast not only provides delicious flavors but also effectively protects and improves liver function. 6. Tuna. Tuna is an excellent choice for breakfast, especially for liver health. Rich in high-quality protein, tuna helps build and maintain body cells, including liver cells, supporting repair and regeneration processes. Moreover, tuna contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, including EPA and DHA, which help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a major risk factor leading to chronic liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and cirrhosis. Additionally, tuna provides antioxidants, vitamin D, and selenium, which help protect liver cells from damage and support liver function. Selenium, an essential mineral in tuna, helps enhance the liver's ability to combat harmful factors. Incorporating tuna into your breakfast not only offers delicious flavors but also helps maintain and improve liver health effectively. 7. Low-fat cheese. Low-fat cheese is an excellent choice for breakfast, especially for liver health. Providing high-quality protein, low-fat cheese helps build and maintain liver cells, supporting repair and regeneration processes. The calcium in low-fat cheese not only maintains strong bones but is also necessary for many physiological functions of the liver. Moreover, low-fat cheese contains little saturated fat, reducing the risk of liver diseases such as fatty liver disease. Nutrients in low-fat cheese also help the liver efficiently detoxify the body, eliminating toxins and waste products. Vitamin D and phosphorus in cheese help strengthen the immune system and support liver function. Adding low-fat cheese to your daily breakfast not only provides delicious flavor but also helps protect and improve liver function effectively. 8. Eggs. Starting your day with eggs is a fantastic choice for liver health. With their high-quality protein content, eggs help build and maintain liver cells, supporting repair and regeneration processes. Choline in eggs is an important nutrient that helps maintain the structure of liver cells and supports the transport of lipids out of the liver, preventing fatty liver disease. Additionally, Choline plays a crucial role in the liver's detoxification process by helping the liver produce phosphatidylcholine, essential for removing toxins from the body. Eggs also provide various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, D, E, and iron, which enhance the immune system and support liver function. Incorporating eggs into your daily breakfast not only brings numerous benefits to overall health but also helps protect and improve liver function effectively. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent addition to your breakfast, particularly for liver health. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Lycopene also has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the liver and potentially preventing chronic liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and cirrhosis. Additionally, tomatoes are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and supports the liver's detoxification process by enhancing the production of glutathione. The fiber content in tomatoes aids digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body, reducing the liver's workload. Including tomatoes in your morning meals, whether fresh in salads, cooked in dishes, or as juice, not only adds flavor but also significantly benefits liver function and overall health. 10. Oats and chia seeds. Combining oats and chia seeds for breakfast is an excellent way to support liver health. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve heart health. Beta-glucan also regulates blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing liver damage. Oats provide essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, iron, magnesium, and zinc, all of which support liver function. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants that safeguard liver cells from free radical damage. Additionally, chia seeds are high in calcium and phosphorus, essential for overall health. This combination of oats and chia seeds offers a breakfast rich in protein and fiber, providing stable energy, aiding digestion, and enhancing liver function. Including oats and chia seeds in your morning routine ensures a nutritious start to the day. This combination effectively protects and improves liver health. 5 liver-friendly dishes using the above foods. 1. Oatmeal with chia seeds and fresh berries. Ingredients: half a cup oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup water or unsweetened milk, 1/2 banana, sliced, a handful of strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, honey. Instructions: cook the oats with water or unsweetened milk according to the package instructions. Once the oats are cooked, stir in the chia seeds. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes, then add the banana and berries. You can add a bit of honey for extra sweetness if desired. 2. Green salad with tuna and tomatoes. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna, drained, half a cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/2 avocado, sliced, 2 cups mixed greens, kale, lettuce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions: arrange the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and avocado in a large bowl. Add the tuna on top. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, then drizzle over the salad. 3. Whole grain bread with low-fat cheese and eggs. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 to 2 eggs, 1 to 2 slices of low-fat cheese, fresh herbs like cilantro or basil. Instructions: cook the eggs to your liking, fried, scrambled, poached. Place the low-fat cheese slices on the bread, then add the cooked eggs. Add fresh herbs if desired for extra flavor. 4. Yogurt smoothie with tomatoes and chia seeds. Ingredients: half a cup plain yogurt, half a cup chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 banana, a few mint leaves, ice cubes. Instructions: blend the yogurt, tomatoes, banana, and ice cubes until smooth. Stir in the chia seeds. Pour into a glass and garnish with mint leaves. 5. Baked salmon with avocado and tomato salsa. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 avocado, diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 red onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper, then bake for 15 to 20 minutes until cooked through. In a bowl, combine diced avocado, cherry tomatoes, red onion, olive oil, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Serve the baked salmon topped with avocado and tomato salsa and garnish with fresh cilantro. We hope you found this video about the 10 best foods for your liver in the morning very informative. Taking care of your liver is an important step to maintaining overall health and abundant energy. Start your day with healthy food choices to protect and improve liver function. Don't forget to try the breakfast suggestions we provided and feel the positive changes in your body. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future useful videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the upcoming videos.